Hey guys, this is Reagan at Wheeler Dealer. Just wanted to showcase our beautiful 1985 Toyota 4Runner. It's got a 22 RE. We put a lot of work into it, and so we just kind of wanted to show it off today, make a video for those that are out of state so you can kind of get a whole view of what it is. I know it's really hard to find these things just in general for that year. And in really great shape. You know, usually a lot of things are missing out of it, and sometimes parts are hard to find. But you know, we just really like this one. We put a lot of work, like I said, into it, and we are kind of known for these first gen Toyotas around here in Boise, and this has been one of our favorites. So we'll just kind of get into it. I'm going to go over any imperfections that it has, and I'll just put the build sheet below, kind of the things that we fixed and done on it. Here we go. So inside you'll see the interior looks really nice. So when we got this, the seats looked like this. Door panel looks like this. So it's got a couple of clips here that need to be done, but it's got a beautiful brown dash, brown center console. Just one of my favorite color schemes on these things for sure. It's got an aftermarket stereo. And the seats just look so beautiful. Got a little tear there. Beautiful. Okay, we'll check out the back bench seat. Back bench seat looks great. These back panels look awesome too. There's a little cut there. Let's see if I can maximize that. Nothing too crazy. Bench looks good. Carpet all looks great. There's no smells or anything. You know, no smoke smells. It doesn't even smell old. It doesn't have that old smell that sometimes these old Toyotas can have. There's no leaks anywhere. The top looks great. All the windows are intact. That back window works. Four-wheel drive works. Shifts great. No smoke. Really, really good car. We'll take a look at the back seat here. And so the very back has a little bit of fraying. I'll show you that. But overall, it just looks so beautiful. Got a little paint there. Got a little paint on the back seat there. All right, and I'm just gonna kind of maybe go over the frame, and we'll hear the motor run.